Plant FAQs. Begonia U514. Begonia U514, a gardener's guide. Hi, Ferbvu here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Begonia U514, a captivating plant prized for its stunning foliage and delicate blooms. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a curious newbie, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for this unique begonia. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia U514? Begonia U514 is a captivating member of the vast Begonia genus, boasting a unique identification code instead of a formal name. This classification suggests it might be an unidentified Brazilian species, though its exact origins remain a mystery. Despite the lack of a definitive name, Begonia U514's beauty speaks for itself. It features large, glossy leaves. The plant's most striking feature is its captivating foliage. Imagine big, round leaves with a glossy sheen. Their vibrant green surface is accentuated by lighter green veins that fan outwards, creating a mesmerizing contrast. Burgundy undersides. Flip the leaves, and you'll be greeted by a surprise. A stunning burgundy hue adorns the undersides. This two-toned effect adds depth and visual interest to the plant. Pink blooms. While the foliage takes center stage, Begonia U514 also produces dainty pink flowers, adding a touch of elegance to its overall appearance. Begonia U514 versus Begonia Erythrophylla Bunchii, lettuce leaf begonia. Begonia U514 is often compared to its cousin, the Begonia Erythrophylla Bunchii, also known as the lettuce leaf begonia. Both share some similarities, such as large, rounded leaves. However, there are key distinctions. Leaf texture. Begonia U514 boasts a smooth, glossy surface on its leaves, while the lettuce leaf begonia has a more textured, puckered appearance, resembling lettuce leaves, as the nickname suggests. Leaf color. Begonia U514's leaves display a vibrant green with lighter green veins, whereas the lettuce leaf begonia tends towards a more solid, darker shade of green. Undersides. Begonia U514 stuns with its burgundy undersides, a feature absent in the lettuce leaf begonia. Ultimately, the choice between these two beauties depends on your personal preference. Begonia U514 offers a touch of elegance with its glossy leaves and two-toned effect, while the lettuce leaf begonia provides a more whimsical charm with its textured foliage. How to care for Begonia U514. Begonia U514 is a relatively easygoing plant, perfect for those new to the world of begonias. Here's how to keep it thriving. Light. Provide bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are ideal. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Humidity. Begonia U514 appreciates moderate humidity levels. If the air in your home is dry, consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, according to the product's instructions. Propagation. Sharing the Begonia U514 love. Begonia U514 can be easily propagated through stem cuttings. Here's a simple method. Take a healthy stem cutting with at least 2 nodes. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a pot filled with moist potting mix. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to create a humid environment. Place the pot in bright, indirect light, and keep the soil moist. After a few weeks, you should see new growth emerge. Once the roots are established, remove the plastic bag and continue caring for the plant as usual. With a little patience and these simple steps, you can create new Begonia U514 plants and share the beauty with friends and family. Conclusion. Begonia U514 is a captivating addition to any plant collection. Its stunning foliage, delicate blooms, and relatively easy care requirements make it a perfect choice for both seasoned and novice gardeners. So, if you're looking for a unique and rewarding plant to add a touch of elegance to your home, look no further than the Begonia U514. Happy planting!